High blood pressure is considered to be 140 over 90 millimeters Hg or higher. Hypertension rarely has noticeable symptoms, but may cause dizziness, palpitations, or fatigue. Risk factors include family history, old age, obesity, high sodium consumption, lack of physical activity, drinking, smoking, and stress. If untreated, hypertension may damage the brain, heart, kidneys, eyes, aorta, and other organs. But healthy lifestyles can help ease the symptoms of hypertension. Sit calmly in a chair with a not so tightly rolled up sleeve and rest your arm on a flat surface at heart level. Then measure blood pressure. Take at least 2 readings 2 minutes apart and get the average value. Choose the arm with higher numbers for reference. Don't smoke or drink coffee or tea 30 minutes before measurement. Don't exercise 1 to 2 hours before measurement. Your readings may not be accurate after taking cold or heart medicine or drinking alcohol. Try to measure in the morning or at the same time every day. Regular monitoring is important. Blood pressure monitors are located in hospitals or public institutions such as support centers for foreign workers. The monitors are available without special process or charge. Try to check your blood pressure.